Welcome, student. This is part 4 of Unity in Diversity. It contains 25 MCQs with answer explanation. Let's start. What question is frequently explored in the epic? And correct answer is B. What is right and wrong? Which is older, Panchtantra or Ramayana? And correct answer is B. Ramayana. How long are the Mahabharata and Ramayana combined? And correct answer is D, 7,000 pages. Which format is used in the Panchtantra? And correct answer is D, fable. How have the epic influenced local communities? And correct answer is C, included local legend. Who kidnapped Sita in the Ramayana? And correct answer is B, Ravan. Who is Draupadi in the Mahabharata? And correct answer is C, wife of Pandavas. How long have this epic been a part of Indian culture? And correct answer is A, over 1000 years. What does epic mean in this context? And correct answer is C, long poem with heroic tales. Which community has their own Mahabharat version in Tamil Nadu? And correct answer is D, local Tamil tribe. Why are there so many versions of the same epic? And correct answer is B, local culture adopted them. What is the main purpose of the Panchtantra? And correct answer is C, life skills education. Which value is reinforced by both epic? And correct answer is C, dharma. The character Hanuman help whom? And correct answer is A. Ram. What do multiple epic versions reveal about Indian culture? And correct answer is A. It adopt and integrate. What does the phrase unity in diversity mean in the Indian context? And correct answer is B. Many cultures but a shared identity. What common dish celebrate unity in diversity in Indian cuisine? And correct answer is D. Khichdi. Which epic is known for the story of the Pandav and Kauravas? And correct answer is C. Mahabharata. The Panchtantra is mainly a collection of stories about. And correct answer is B. Animals. What type of garment is the sari in Indian culture? And correct answer is C. Unstitched cloth. Which value is common to Jainism, Buddhism, and Hinduism? And correct answer is C. Non violence. What is chins? And correct answer is B. A kind of cotton print. Makar Sankranti is celebrated across India to mark. And correct answer is C. Harvest season. Which state is famous for Paithani saris? And correct answer is A. Maharashtra. Which language was the original Panchtantra written in? And correct answer is D. Sanskrit. Thanks for watching my MCQ channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to get regular update. Thank you.